A lot of people get carbonara pasta and Boscaiola pasta confused, so I'm going to clear it up for you. A carbonara pasta is a combination of egg yolks and parmesan with no cream. However, the classic Boscaiola sauce has mushrooms, bacon, and it's a cream-based sauce. And I love a Boscaiola, and you really only need a few ingredients to make it shine. This is a sauce that's traditionally served in autumn because the mushrooms are plentiful, and that's where Bosca gets its name. It's a forest or woods in Italian where lots of mushrooms are harvested. Now I'm going to add some garlic to our mushrooms and our crispy bacon and give it a toss. Always put your garlic in at this stage so it doesn't burn. Now we can add the cream. I'm using a cooking cream for this because it heats without curdling, so we're going to get that beautiful, smooth, silky, creamy sauce. It also thickens up rapidly, so we're going to have a really quick sauce done in a few minutes. So in with the cream, and then we'll swirl that around, give it a toss, and I'll add some pepper. Lots of ground pepper because mushrooms and cream go so nicely with it. And you can see in only moments that cream is thickening and it's not splitting even on that high heat. Now for the pasta, I'll drain it. I'm using some penne pasta. I love it because the sauce and the cream goes inside the tube of the penne pasta. It's al dente, and just using this spider, we'll add it to the cream. And then to finish off this speedy sauce, a nice handful of freshly chopped parsley, and it has to have a good handful of freshly grated Parmesan cheese. And when you're serving a rich, creamy sauce like this, you want it to coat each individual piece of pasta. So toss it in the pan, a nice big bowl. And if you like, some extra Parmesan. That is a very classic Italian creamy pasta. I'll dig in. That would have to be one of my top 3 pasta sauces. I love it, especially because it's so fast to do.